In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your workspace URL in Slack. Your workspace URL is the unique web address you use to access your Slack workspace, usually something like yourteam.slack.com. Knowing this is helpful if you want to log in from a new device, share access instructions with teammates, or quickly jump into Slack from a browser. In this walkthrough, I'll show you two simple ways to find it right inside the Slack app. First, open Slack on your desktop. At the very top left corner of the window, you'll see your workspace name. This is usually next to the Slack logo and might be the name of your company, team, or project. Go ahead and click directly on that workspace name. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. Take a look near the top of that menu. Right under your workspace name, you should see a line of text that looks like a web address ending in slack.com. That's your workspace URL. For example, it might look like yourworkspace.slack.com. You can now read it, type it into a browser, or copy it if you need to share it with someone else. If for some reason you don't see it clearly there, or you prefer a more settings-based approach, there's an alternative method you can use from the same menu. Again, click on your workspace name in the top left corner of Slack to open that dropdown. This time, look for the option labeled something like Tools and Settings. Hover over it, or click it, and then choose Workspace Settings. Slack will open your workspace settings in your web browser. This page contains a lot of information about your workspace, but the main thing you're looking for is that same Slack web address. On the settings page, you'll see your workspace name and, usually nearby, the workspace URL listed clearly. It will be in the same format, ending in slack.com. This is the exact same URL you saw in the dropdown, just displayed in a more administrative context. Once you've found it, you can bookmark it in your browser, save it in your notes, or share it with new team members so they know exactly where to go to join your Slack workspace. And that's all there is to it. By clicking your workspace name in the top left corner and either checking the drop-down or going into workspace settings, you can easily find your Slack workspace URL whenever you need it.